All right, guys, we've got the Outis security pen set. So this is going to be great for offices. You have a 3M adhesive here that will basically plant down on your desk, securing the pen so people can't take it. Because let's face it, we live in crazy times and people will steal just about anything they can get their hands on now. No fault to them. I mean, the world's just really gone to crap. So you want to make sure that people don't steal your pens. So this is a great, I think this is an incredible value, and I'll show you why. So first of all, each of the, you get 10 pens like this, right? Each of them comes with a 3M already applied. You just rip the back off and paste it down where you want, and then you've got this pen that works. So you have a 10 pack of that. But not only that, you actually get 10 pen refills. So it's 20 pens for the price of, honestly, I'm going to be straight up. I think it's 20 pens for the cost of maybe a couple of these. You're getting 20 pens for the cost that I would think you'd about 5 of these. I mean, this is an incredible value. I think if you're in an office situation, maybe a church, organization, place where people are using your pens a lot, but you don't want them stealing them.